Hi guys, welcome to Mostly Clean Eats. Danielle here with a recipe for Instant Pot beef and broccoli. This is a healthier version of the classic takeout. It is paleo and Whole30 friendly and also low carb. So there's none of that stuff that you get, often added in Chinese takeout that makes you feel like all the sodium, MSG, all the additives, none of that. And it comes together in just 30 minutes. It's super easy. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below. I have new recipes every Monday and Friday. Lots of keto, paleo, Whole30, healthy, mostly clean recipes. And then on Wednesdays, I do meal prep and cooking hack videos. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So we set the Instant Pot to saute mode. And then we're going to add a tablespoon of olive oil or avocado oil and 1 clove of garlic that has been chopped up. Make sure you salt and pepper your beef on each side. Then we're going to add the beef to the pan, and we're going to cook for about, very quickly, maybe just a minute or a minute and a half on each side to give it a good sear. When the beef is done cooking, transfer to a plate and set that plate aside. Now we're going to start on the sauce. So you're going to add a cup of bone broth, could be beef or chicken, whatever broth you have. A 1/4 cup of coconut aminos, which is just a gluten-free, soy-free soy sauce alternative. So it's paleo and Whole30 friendly. Some ground ginger or fresh, and some sesame oil. So now we're going to add the acid and the heat. I chose to add some apple cider vinegar. You can also add rice vinegar if you're not strict Whole30 and paleo. And then we're going to add some red chili pepper flakes. These are going to be spicy, so you want to add them to your tasting. So now all of our beef is back in. We're going to pour this right on top of it. And I'm going to throw in a little more extra garlic. You want to make sure your lid is set to sealing mode. Pressure cook. On high for 10 minutes. You can steam your broccoli however you want. I like to put it in a pot with a 1/4 inch of water, a little salt, and then cover it. Here, you have some arrowroot starch, tapioca starch. And you're going to mix that with water to make a nice thick slurry. So there's 2 ways to release steam in the Instant Pot. You can do a natural release, in which this is what I'm doing. You just let the steam naturally come out. Or you can flip this little nozzle and do a quick release. The problem with a quick release in meat is all the moisture comes out, doesn't have time to go back in, so it's not as tender. So we're going to naturally release this 10 minutes. You'll know because you'll be able to see right now I can't open this, it's tight. Or when this little pin has dropped down. That's how you'll know it'll be time. Sorry for the steam bath, you guys. So then, so now I have my slurry. And by the way, I'm going to flip this back to saute mode right now. So we're going to mix that in. That's going to get this sauce to thicken up more like a gravy. So now I've just dumped the broccoli in. Sorry, my camera's shaky because I keep hitting into it. And you're just going to let it soak up that wonderful sauce. So now I just have some cauliflower rice down. And we're just going to take our beef and broccoli, as I knock it into the camera. So make sure beef in. The full recipe is linked below, or you can visit mostlycleaneats.com. I hope you enjoyed this beef and broccoli recipe. It's so good. One of my favorite recipes when I'm Whole30 and eating paleo. Super easy. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to subscribe for other recipes on Mondays and Fridays. You can also check out the blog, mostlycleaneats.com. The full recipe, the ingredients you would need, everything else you need to know is linked in the description below. Check that out. Give me a thumbs up and leave in the comments if you try it, if you try any other variations. This one I did with cauliflower rice to keep it low carb and paleo friendly, but you can also use regular white rice. You can just let me know how you change it up. I hope you enjoy.